Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are ready: an Apple ID or a new email, current iTunes, and a payment method. Open iTunes on your computer. If you're signed in with another account, sign out. Once done, click Account, then Sign In, and choose Create New Apple ID. This initiates the account creation flow. Do it now so you don't lose step context. Gathering a valid billing address and card reduces verification delays, which helps Apple confirm identity quickly. You'll now enter detailed account data: full name, birth date, and security questions. These help recover access later. Next, add your payment method and billing address. Make sure the address matches the bank record so transactions don't bounce. Choose Send to verify your email. Apple sends a code you must enter to continue. Once you input that code, iTunes links the Apple ID to the store. If you plan to use family sharing, set that up after verification to share purchases securely. Finish by accepting terms and signing into the iTunes store with your new Apple ID. iTunes may perform a small authorization on your card to validate it. Enable two-factor authentication to protect purchases and account changes. Once signed in, download a free app or song to confirm the account works. If you run into errors, recheck the email verification step and ensure billing details exactly match the card issuer. Mismatched info is the most common blocker and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.